welcome back to the shop. It's been a hot minute since we've really made any videos or done any updates. However, not to worry, we got a giant project going on here in the shop and we're going to take you along with us. So with that said, let me show you what we got going on. This is truck 32. This truck here was new to us back in 2020. We got it and it was in, we'll say, fair shape. We went through everything, you know, drivetrain, powertrain, mechanically wise. Recently it just sustained, you know, a good bit of front end damage. So we're in the process of fixing that, as you can see. And we're going to paint up the whole truck and get it looking good. So far we've replaced the radiator, AC condenser, got the entire truck stripped down for paint. Currently I'm working on repairing this cow panel that was dented pretty good. We got some dents there I'm going to take care of. And then just overall clean up the corrosion. You can see inside the door panels, or the door jambs, are not looking too nice. Get some corrosion there, down the bottom, whole back of the cab. We got bunk lights out. I think we're going to add 2 in the center. Get everything stripped down over here. Inside that door jam's no different. This side's pretty solid, you know, not too much corrosion. At this point we're a couple hours into the day, so I figured I'd do a quick update, show you where we're at. I've been working on cleaning up the corrosion, just wire wheeling it. This panel here was probably the worst of all. It was all bubbling up, so we got that stripped. Stripping the corrosion around the rivets and the bottom where the light panels were, for that matter. And you can see it's just all a bunch of crusty stuff like that. So we'll go ahead and get the other side done. Now this panel's not horrible, but you can see it. It's not pretty either, right there. So yeah, we'll take the wire wheel, clean all the corrosion like that, all this little stuff, even all these little teeny tiny spots around the rivets where it's starting. Get that all cleaned up. Saturday afternoon, and we're just kind of wrapping up for the week, so I figured I'd show you the progress we made on truck 32. Been working pretty steady and consistently on this all week. Got all that corrosion stripped out, feather edged everything in with 80, 180. Still got to do some more, probably bring it up to like 320 or 400, really get that feather edge nice. Got this door taken off, all the corrosion in there stripped out. It was pretty nasty. Got some holes here that it, corroded right through, so we'll try and take care of those. Got everything on the back of the cab done. That was probably the worst of it. They always seem to be. Stripped out door handles and everything. I think Monday morning we'll start grinding that out. Tape off the door opening, of course, so no dust and crap gets in there. Air charge cooler finally came in, so we put that on. We got these new radiator support rods. See, this one's got a pretty good bend in it. The other side's no different. This side's pretty good. Got that pushed out and all set, so it's not all whooped. Step one, tedious work, but we got all the corrosion off, and that's what's going to make the paint job last. Pretty sure when we last left off, it was Saturday afternoon. I was wrapping up for the week. It's now Thursday morning. Been a little bit of a jump in time. Been a crazy week here, but have been moving forward on truck 32. Let me show you where we're at. Finished stripping out the corrosion inside the door jambs. Got them all feather edged in. We're going to be changing the color of this truck, so want to get all the jambs ready. We're not cutting any corners. Everything's going to match. Started repairing the damage to the cowl, getting that cleaned up and smoothed out. It's not going to be perfect, but it's a work truck, and there'll be an air cleaner there, so you're not going to see probably 95% of it. Same thing on the back of the bunk here. There were some gouges. Got those smoothed out. Probably put another skin coat on just to get everything nice and level. Drilled a couple more holes in the back of the bunk to add some lights. Should brighten things up a little bit and doll it up. we got the back of the bunk sanded down with 80 grit. Just a lot of little dings and dents. Fortunately, those will not be filled in with high build primer, so I'm gonna do a little skim coat of some glazing putty, fill those in, get it looking nice and smooth, and we'll go from there. If you look here, all these little puck marks that the sander went over, I mean, they're everywhere. Those are all little dents, so we'll get those smoothed out, get that looking good. A couple here and there on this center panel. Surprisingly, this side panel where the airlines usually get stuffed in the cab extenders isn't too bad, but yeah, we'll get all that smoothed up and looking good.